Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel. As you can probably tell from my voice, I have been sick the last few days. So the one thing that sounded really good to eat was chicken soup. So in this video, we are going to show you how to make chicken soup. It's a great soup to make. It doesn't cost a lot of money. It is great when you're sick, and it just tastes good. I just harvested some onions and some carrots, so I thought that would be a good way to use them too. I also had some celery in the fridge that needed to be used. First, gather your ingredients. I figured that you didn't need to see me chop everything, so I did that ahead of time. I have carrots, onions, celery, cooked chicken, chicken broth, bay leaves, thyme, parsley, pepper, salt, and butter. Turn the burner on the stove to a medium heat and melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a large pot. Add the carrots, onions, and celery to the pot. Let them saute for about 5 to 7 minutes. I'm not giving amounts because it's good to just decide for yourself how you like it. You can make your soup thick or thin. You can use a lot of veggies or a few. You can cut your veggies large or cut them small. You can make a lot of soup or make just a little. There's a lot of flexibility with this recipe. Add the garlic and spices and stir for about a minute after the vegetables have sauteed. I am using a couple of bay leaves, around a half a teaspoon of thyme, some parsley, and then pepper and salt to your taste. Add the chicken and the chicken broth. This soup tastes best when you cook boneless chicken thighs in some water and make your own broth, but I just used whatever chicken I happened to have at the time, and I added some chicken broth or bouillon cubes if I needed to. Bring the soup to a boil and then turn it on to a low heat for about 30 to 60 minutes. While the soup is cooking, get out a little bit of pasta and cook it according to the directions. Be sure to take out the bay leaves before you add the pasta. When the soup is done, add the cooked pasta and stir. Mine was just a bit thicker than I wanted, so I added an extra can of chicken broth. That's all there is to it. If you want to use cooked rice instead of pasta, it also works great. When you make it yourself, you can make it just the way you like it. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos just like this.